Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to add multiple files at once to your database in Wix. If you've ever found yourself wrestling with uploading each file one by one, or just want to save time and streamline your workflow, stick around. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be confidently uploading batches of files in no time. Let's jump in and start making your Wix website management a whole lot easier. First off, you'll want to go to your Wix web design dashboard. So just log into your Wix account as you normally would and select the site you're working on. If you're already in your editor, you're in the right place. This is where all your content and settings live. So we're starting from the hub where you control everything about your site. Now, if your goal is to add multiple files to your Wix database, maybe documents, images, PDFs, or any kind of media files, Wix makes this process really user-friendly. But the trick is knowing exactly where to click. On the left-hand side of your Wix editor, look all the way down to the bottom left. You'll see an option labeled Media. Go ahead and click on that. This is essentially your personal library for the website, where all your uploads and media live and can be easily managed. Once you're inside the Media section, you'll want to bring in your new files. To do that, simply click Upload Media. You'll see this button usually floating at the top or sometimes on the right, depending on your layout. This button opens the window that lets you bring new files into your Wix account. Next, you'll need to select where these files are coming from. In most cases, your files are saved locally on your computer. So click Upload from Computer. This action pops open a familiar File Explorer window, just like when you upload photos on social media. Now here's where a lot of folks get stuck, so pay close attention. Instead of picking just one file at a time, you can actually select multiple files at once. To do this, click the first file at the top of your list. Let's say the first photo or document you want. Then, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, scroll down, and click the last file you want to add. Every file in between will also be selected. This works just like you'd select multiple files anywhere in Windows or Mac. It saves you from clicking and uploading one by one. If you accidentally grab something you don't want, don't worry. You can deselect before hitting Open. Once you've got your files highlighted, click Open. Now, this part might take a few moments, especially if you're uploading large files or a whole stack of them. So just sit tight while Wix does its thing. You'll see progress bars as your files upload. Don't close the window or navigate away until the upload is complete. That way you make sure everything makes it in safely. And that's really it. Once the upload finishes, all your selected files will be right there in your Wix Media Manager, ready to be added to your database, galleries, or pages however you need. It's a quick, efficient, and reliable way to get your content online without any fuss. So that's how you can easily add multiple files to your Wix database. I hope this saves you time and streamlines your design process. If you found this tutorial helpful, please toss a like on the video. And if you have any questions, maybe you ran into an issue or there's another Wix feature you want explained, just drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials and tips to make your web projects easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.